Alright, here we are again. My name is Jungmin Cho. I'm trying to solve the Leetcode every single day until I get higher. So let's see. Valid parentheses. You're given as consisting of a valid character. Left, right. So every open bracket is closed by same bracket. Opening, closing. Okay, so it says similar the idea of the so this is valid valid. This like this is not not valid. So let me think how to solve it. So it is easy question, and let's get this as an example. So what we can do is basically we are going to iterate here to there, right? So we at least we need to travel same time. So what we need to do is just check every single time and we just put it in the stack. So in this case, parentheses comes in, close it, and bracket. So when we actually detected that closing brackets, and we have to make sure that top one is the correct one. So we need like 1-to-1 binding, and so basically push and pop, but we have to do it the correct way. So theoretically, if we try to pop it, if there's nothing, that's invalid. If we done popping, but um, there's there's still some left in here. So that is the another case. So let me check constraint. So let's code it. So the thing is, the length of S has to be even, right? Because odd number is just automatically wrong. Because how can we dealing with the odd numbers? Right. So let's do this, or make it clear. So return false right away. False, I think. So return right away. Return right away. Now we don't have to care about that case. We just need a map that matching. So how can it, so look up. So can we do this? That's my question. I think it's very possible in JavaScript, but let's see in the Python. Alright. Alright, so we have to think about this Python in ways. Is this way or this way? My feeling telling me this way, so before we do that, anything, let me double check. Yep, that's not how we use it. Instead of doing like this, let's do um, actually, let me double check Python hash map. Yeah, dictionary. Right? Not implementing hash map. I'm not gonna implement a hash map. Yeah, so I was right. You have to do this way. Then this should be ran. Yeah. Um. Why is showing the key value? Anyhow, that's the so stack here. So for us, so we are going to iterate in an S. So if so look up at X as it exists, so it should be that. Else, so we have to stack here. We have to add value. What we can do is just we can push that and we can make sure when it popping. Actually, we can just alright. So in this case, we are going to check the else. The other cases, if lookup X and so how can you know the top? Another I sometimes like Python, sometimes don't, cause some of them is weird. Like if it's not JavaScript, Java. There should be a thing top, but do they have a top? No. So that's kind of thing sucks in some case. I think it's good language. So this in that case return true. Um, that's not how we look up. Another list. Dictionary. Why is so painful? Why does it take so long to load up? I just need to. Yeah. So why? Why this is not valid thing? I don't understand. Can I do this then? Nope. Oh, cat. This is weird. Okay. Now let's think. If this the top, it's not the same as this, cause we need to push that. Right? No. So let me think. We push the value. Yes, the key itself. So when we do that, yeah. So let me check inside. So we are doing correct one. So not the x. What's in the x? And print both of them, just in case. So why did it that in here it got in, and I need to use this. Okay. So for the sake, let's why L. It's because I didn't pop it. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. Or we just have to handle that. Yeah. Else if length is 0. Yeah, don't try to do it. And at this point also we have to check 0, return false. Now it's getting a little ugly because I didn't cover all the things. Yeah, it's accepted, but let's clean up. It's ugly. Lookup table should be fun. This should be fine. So we are. This is redundant. So I think we could just make it like this. Yeah. Still looks ugly, I think. Because we don't have to call such things multiple times. Maybe we can make them local variable and yeah, the key. We can just put a key like that and current. Yeah. So I think it's cake maybe make it more beautiful, but analyze. Let's analyze. So we need to have for here we at least need this much space, and here we theoretically need space of O n. So the complexity is just big O n. Yeah, we just straight. Yeah. So this should be it. Let me check the solution. So brute force. Yeah, it's a good idea, but it's still, and square, yeah. Yeah, cause it's going to stack. Huh. Surprisingly, it looks similar. But how can we do that? How? So we don't need extra thing, I think. Huh. Okay. I'm satisfied. It surprisingly looks similar to my solution, but I think it's more optimized. So I'm happy, and thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.